Hey, good morning everybody. Check this out right here. So last night we had a first alert from KVIA that said it was going to be like a little bit of snow, anywhere from 8 to 12 inches of snow. And I was like, okay, well I think I'm going to be ready for that. So I'm glad most of my plants did get covered up. I did have some plants in that corner that I was like, oh, the weather is beautiful, I'm gonna put it out there, and I just never had a chance to bring it back inside, so those probably did not survive. My lantana here in the pot probably did not survive. I still have some stragglers here, so I'm gonna bring those in. My cheddar pinks, we'll see if that survives. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Ugh, so cold outside, guys. My snow, my turtle habitat, the water.
When it snows, they're gonna go.
Okay. We do not have turtles in there, so everybody that's like, oh, what about your turtles? Don't worry about it. We don't have any turtles quite yet, so it's okay. My vegetables has the cover still on it over here. However, the vegetables in this raised bed, the cover fell off, so it is what it is. I'll probably fix that a little bit later. So just give me a second and I will show you my front yard. Woo! And it's slippery. Very, very slippery. Aiden, come inside, baby. Go, it looks very pretty. This just happened. I was gonna bring my potted aptenias inside, and this pot that I put it in completely collapsed on the bottom, so I can't pick it up because I gotta go to work. So hopefully it makes it until I get home this evening to repot it. My front. And you could tell most of it is pretty laying pretty good on the grass. My car, that looks really pretty.
Oh yeah.
And you guys want to see something really pretty? You guys want to see something really pretty? Watch this. Wait for this. Boom. Boom. Look at the mountain. How pretty is that? And then our roof. All snow covered. I love it. It looks good. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful snowy El Paso day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.